So that is for that, guys. So you're not, even though if it moves, you let it go. However, I know that this is just a small sell. I can actually enter the market and make the sell. If I see what it printed that I'm satisfied with it, I'll enter the sell. Probably milk it. Then by the next morning, the next day I'll be looking to buy. So that is for that. So I told you that I said this market is not a buy. You said because trend line. Okay, you said because okay, you see because something pair distance something. You said because of this three bullish, right?
Yes, sir.
Bullish and probably the trend line. Well, this one bullish, this something as this one too, but market changes and price. This one doesn't validate this. Doesn't validate that it continue to buy you. It is long. That's not a good justification for the long time buy. It's not a good justification. What will make a justification and what is strong? The basis has to be strong. One of them is trend line. I can agree that one. She's a basis. This is a strong base to be used. Okay, that is a strong one. I can give you that one. Fine. But more that is stronger, and this should be the strongest basis is price action. And that's what I'm expecting from you. That one should be more strong and strong enough. Give you more reason to say that this will definitely long. Am I talking to somebody?
Yes, sir.
So that should be the price. So also the price action that I'm saying here. Now also show you the inverse of it and how market will definitely do. This thing I have traded it for a long time. Experience has taught me. I've also thought that it will sell and sell. Come back here. My brother, not be so you go break this your theory decision. Yeah. You go break out. I will come back here next week and tell you something. I will come back here next week and tell you how it broke it. It's certain to break up. Once it comes down here to any point, you need to break it and go. It's certain. Why? What am I saying? Why do I say so? And everything, I'll show you something. Let's go. Now, by price action, after the market created the last low, last year, it keep moving. Let me show.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It came here. We had a stoppage here, the highest ever. Highest ever we will never get to. We couldn't push further. It came here. Let me show. Another low here. Let me show.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After he kept here, it will move again. And what? And that low here. Let me show. Let me show.
Of course,
yes,
sir.
After then he move again. And what? Quit another low here. This low is what? Can you see the God movement of that low? This low, this low is that what?
Higher.
Thank you, sir. Higher to this one. That is showing the what? What's the intuition? Hi.
The intuition is that buyers are coming to the market.
Yes, sir.
Sellers are getting more.
The intuition is that the overall is a sale. But buyers are trying to come in, but they can't take it over. They don't take it with agony. They don't say agony. Not the agony. You can't. You can't do agony. Hey, agony. Not because of. Not be agony. Never use agony for this kind of stuff. So they couldn't use force. They couldn't use agony. So they're trying to enter gradually. And you see now, from this point, it's created a new low here, and that one here. But this point is a point that is called agony point. It is called that. It's a point that it says. I call it a point of what? A strong zone that is called resistance. However, it's a resistance for the seller. The seller are still what? Are still in the market. So buyers want to come in, but they are stopping them at that point. You know, and I don't go pass here. Yeah, we go pass. So they go back again. Come, go back again. Go. So this point is a strong because of what? Because it's a strong point that sellers are saying you cannot pass this point. It doesn't mean that they won't get weak later on. Let us stick there. Because of what they are saying, you cannot take away this or this junction. Does not imply this or does not dictate or does not validate that they will finally not break through. Let me use an example. For example, now. Okay, for example, someone is attacking you. Someone is attacking your wall. So you build a wall, attack it down. Are we there, sir? Are we together?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You build a wall, a very dark wall. And someone is hitting it with iron. Douche. You get this for it. Now since 1982, you never break. And none of the not break. So this is hitting it. Now tell me, sir, by your intuition, by your knowledge, someone that keep breaking that wall. If you break it for years, would you break it down one day?
It will break it down.
That's it. To break it down one day because of what? The consistency, the persistency in that structure. So you keep hitting it. One day it will come, just like the wall of Jericho. It will break one day. So that is what this is. This one is. You keep breaking down. We are in control. Nothing will happen. You keep doing that thing. But whereas this was again more what? Again more power. If it were that this one, as it's trying to break it, this was another game more power. Sorry. They're not getting more power. As it's created a first low here, the second low came here, third low came here, second low came here, third low came. Then it means the what they're not getting power. They are what? They are relenting. That used to what that implies is that this war is overshadowing them in truth and in fact it means that they will never be able to overcome. And by deduction, they will take over. But this is what the case was the reverse was the case. Even though they are trying to break the wall, they created the first law here. They're getting more power. They're enforcing the more. So the person when they enforce the more, 10 people they try to amend to break your wall. They call another 10 people, 20 come, another 10, 30, 40, 50, 100, 120, or 1 million. Who they break that wall? By that they issue 1,000, 1 million. Who they break the wall? Hello, sir. Who they break the wall?
They will definitely.
They will definitely, sir. They are enforcing. That is what this implies. So I love to do this to give you a practical example. So that practicality example, you have to use it in the real life scenario in the market. So as I've explained that one to you, so you have to use that idea and bring it here. Now, this is what is happening now. Hi. The practicality of what I'm explaining that they are bringing more forces. This one means a force of 10. This one means force of 20. Let me just see. So this one means force of 50. Now, then I'll call the Oga. I bet for 750 push it down. Look at that phone. This thing is strong. Really. Like they say now, they said the most soldier come in. And they came in there. This one came, making 100. This one came, making 150, 200. Am I talking to someone?
Yes, sir.
So they will break it. So by the time they make it, they reach 500 or 1,000, a time will come, they will break it. So they see the level I've done now. I didn't even show this one. Let me back it. Car. So you should be able to use this analysis to remember whenever you see structure like this. First level, second level, third level. Now it's want to go to what? The fourth level. At this fourth level, you should either come equal again and create 5. That market you can't determine when it will move. We can't. Right? I'm not talking to somebody. Why I said
yes,
it is what we can't determine either it will move on the fourth level or third or fifth or sixth. Now it has done what? And 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, we can come and do second level, 4 level here, go and do 5 level here, and then bush. Right? Can you see what I said to buy? That's what I said to buy. It will go.
It will buy. Yes, I can see it now, sir.
If I say to you directly, you don't understand. Or you should understand, it will be just small, but it will fade off. But the way I started with past action, and you see the reason why it will go, everything. I see. So all these space they are called reinforcement. Let me say that so you can understand. Let me say that. Right? It's a soldier fighting soldiers. A soldier that have 50 with a war that bring it. They carry another soldier come 50. Another weapon come again. Add to it again. Another weapon. See, 1, 2, 3. Another weapon come again. They double the amount again. They double them again. A time will come, they will break this wall. This was so-called wall of Jericho. They will break it out. Everybody will come in. Go, 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 yeah. Enter. He paid the city. He paid the community. Yeah. Pay everybody. Oh, yeah, now. When I call them, maybe so. I was saying the call them. Yeah. When I capture all of them. Capture all of them. And they will capture everybody. And that's all. That's all. So if you had said that, you should be already seeing that. So if this was I will do the reverse of the case now. I will handle. And let me not prepare for my guys. That match by 12. Let me not prepare for my guys by 12.
Is it 12 or 12:30?
Yeah, you have to be here by 12. If you're ready by 12. For me, I see it as 12. So I'll be getting ready by 12. Yes, turn it by 12. I should turn it by 12. That's it. Turn it by 12. That's it. So that is it, sir. So you can see the level now. So now, so amazingly enough, I keep getting this stuff at this level. I keep buying them at this level. At this level I bought. This level I bought. I can see one of them. I think I bought like 2 or 3 times. So I'm willing to even buy and again this level because I know that it will work in a long market. So that's where I even take more risks. If I'm to enter the sell here, I'm really taking short risks and I'm taking my profit so early because I don't say it can stop at any point. I know that is what it's a buy market because this reinforcement I'm saying. So if I'm to enter a buy, I will be willing to take more of the seeds than a sell. If I want to trade this market, if I see a good opportunity, if you do another weak creation for me, and take a sell, just a short one, then I'll take my profit around this point. So I don't want the market to hit me or to bounce back at me at any time. No. For the buy, I'm willing to confidently take most of what it's a buy market. And it should definitely want to do a long one. And once it breaks all of this wall, the long will be so crazy. Let's see if there'll be news this week. It might be in my breakout due to this. Let's go. That's another lesson for you. Why you should do that? A breakout can come in place of what? In the place of what? Economic decision. Okay. Are we together, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A new topic now.
When there is news, it tends to break more barrier.
News can break your wall for you as well. So let's go check if there is news. So it's also certain this for us that wow, this news event it can break your wall. Let's go. Meanwhile, it doesn't really have to be JPY news. In USD news can also break your wall because USD has this way of affecting all peers in one way or the other. Let's go. Let's go. Can you see how we are combining those things together? Can you see that? Can you see how it's understanding?
More conferences.
Not amateur, not intermediates. I'm talking to somebody.
Yes, sir.
Monday, no news. Tuesday, 3. In fact, my factory this might not be. CPI, TSF. This is a crazy news. Wednesday, AUDUSD again on Thursday. Wednesday, CADJPY. Job, this should move. This should move. 3 p.m. This should move. This USD might move. Again, this should move. This should also move. If you don't move that one to move here, you have the two. It might move with news effects or on its own. Note that ahead. Not that at all time it will move ahead. But most times that I've seen, sometimes some of those walls are being broken by news sometimes. Boom! Once it comes out, the news will back up, break them through. See this now. This Thursday now, NFP and unemployment. Such a crazy news. Can break it anyhow. That is a crazy one. So that is for that, guys. And this Friday too. Come on, this is it. Come on.
Vamos.
Person go lose money. You're not able. Money go generate for this market. So that is it, guys. So get it understood that it can break on its own or with the help of the news. That is what we have to understand. Yes, it shouldn't be that. I will never teach you one thing, a one-way thing. I will show you different ways to it. That is what we call a lesson. That's what we call a mentor, a teaching. That's mentorship. Not one way. Because if another way comes, God, you failed. You shouldn't be. You should be exposed to different ways. That's why you would have shocked in the market or be stranded in the market. That is it. So anything can happen to it. So watch out for it. So I'm so sure and I'm certain that these levels will continue to build. This first shoulder, another investment. Now they might even come and another 1 year too. Back more shoulders. And then back 1 year, 2 or a year, then bush. Anyone, we can't stay. By next week, we will come back and review this market and show you that how the level created, how it plays. However, don't forget, let me show you, let me also give you another schema. So it's showing this, if it stops here and never breaks, then it will come back. But that chances of what is slim, but it can happen. I will tell you that. It can happen. If I keep saying that, when it's meant to have broken, it's like the level has gotten to honor, it has got to the neck. When it's meant to have broken, yeah, it's not here. The long week stand here, all the body inside this cycle level. I'm saying that thing here. All the long week inside the body, then I'll know that what it might be impossible to work, then that work is impossible to break. Then that work work want to what come back. Then the news can now, and that news can spike it and come back, then do the same. It can happen. That chances is slim, but it can happen. No, the chances might be 10 or 20, but it can still happen. Like talking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm even though I'm open for more, but I'm still open for the other way around because of what I've seen in the market. I've seen a lot. Experience have told me that, bros, don't be overconfident. Don't be I'm the Lord of the Gator. I'm the God, calm down. It will humble you. Something might happen. Anything might happen. So we have the chances of what 70% win rate of the buy happening because of what you are seeing, because of market structure and price action. Yes, it's normal. We know that. It will break. Yes, it's normal. It will break. In more currencies, it has done so. Yes, we know it has done. Series of market have traded, it has done so. A time can come, it might decide not to do so. It might decide not to do so. I talk to someone. But let's watch out. Let's watch out for next week. Of course, let's see how it will print out and how it will create other levels. But this market will make you like mad. Kai, the market behavior and the characteristics that we are searching is really helping us. And this week we killed it all. We didn't do it at all. We killed it all. No, I'll teach you the advance. Those are things we'll come into the advance. You come to the advance.
Yes, sir. All right, thank you so much, sir.
Guys, yeah. We gotta be. So that is it, sir. So
yes,
that's
sir.
what will happen. That's what we are looking at for. So that's what will happen. So this we will not sell immediately. By drop another second week. Once you see two rejections, two things means multiple stuff of 2, 3, more than 2. Once you see 2 or 3, maybe so. Once come multiple means when there's 2 or more of a thing.
More stronger.
More stronger. So if it become another one comes there, then it's showing us to be more strong than what the sell will happen. So I'm coming in for that sell immediately will be wrong. Because the buy might still come to this next cycle before it's so if I were to be the one, even though without entering the market, I would just set my stop loss, I'll set my end to the sell limit at this cycle level here. And it should what to come at my want to kiss it. And then down to be well, entering, kiss it or even take away this small, then sell. If I'm preparing, I will enter one position only. I'll wait for it to if I'm not to be with I'm not to be on the chart. Probably I want to sleep. I just want to set. I'll put my this in there. Now it triggers it or it goes. Anyway, I won't force myself. So just set my what on the cycle level here, do my 30 tips or 20 that is, and then go. So that's it, guys. Any questions, sir? Another way why I think it will also buy is this. It has broken this one. Let me show you. Third way why we think it will also short, it will also long. See, it has broken it.
Yeah, I
It's
can
just
see
a two.
that.
Just a two, this thing, 1 and 2. This is the second one. It's broken it here.
It can come back and retest on it.
This is the retest it just did.
Okay.
Broken and retest here. Can come and do the new lower low, the new price action level. After the retest, this is just a retest. This one way is a retest. After then, it's still to come and do what? The normal movement level. Higher high, lower high. Now, come and do that one here. Then go. That's the third reason why I say it will buy. And the fourth one is what? Turn buy. Any question?
No question, sir. No question, sir.
We are moving. Something deep, something thick, moving. Something thick, you're moving. So that is it. That is exactly what we are seeing in the market.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Exactly what's going to happen. So as we get to, I will do some other things to be served for advance. So I will do there. I will do them. I want to show you, I want to tell you, because of the level you have, and that's why you need to assimilate them. Yeah, you need to assimilate them, cope, and you need to understand them faster. So as time goes on, you will deal with those things and flush them, bisect them, of course, chew them into our stomach. Good and good and good. Okay. Any questions? Any observation? Any other thing?
No, sir. No, sir.
The absence of doubt, maybe you have to call it off today. I hope you understand a lot, sir. I hope you learned something today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Would we be having class tonight?
Yes,
for
we
Mr.
should. I will be trying to be available. I'm not impressed with why Sally is dragging us back. I'm not impressed. You guys should be on the same level by now. I mean, you guys were almost same level, so see now you have overtook him. Overtaking is allowed. Overtake. See now, he was even trying to overtake you. Then is it not head and shoulder pattern when we were choosing head and shoulder? Yes, I think it was more good in head and shoulder. Now God said, that good head and shoulder is good, no good again for head and shoulder. Because now we are now superior in everything that in. Because when we're taking the class, then it was more seeing it than you. But now it's now you're picking now baby.
No.
Also, I want to teach you. That was big advance. I want to show you pattern, like also some pattern that you just see. I said, let's tell you something. I have some in my book, so I will show you. I will draw those stuff, do those stuff too in class. The part that you just see. Now those things I come to know them through experience. So if I should teach you now early, it will help you to fast track your experience. So like someone giving you the experience of your gathered in some couple of months and years, giving to you. So it will help a lot in fast tracking someone's learning. So it's those patterns that you just see, bam, when I see, no, there are a lot of them like that. So I want to tell you, I'll show you those patterns. Once you see this, the next one comes here, even though it's not showing a pattern. So it's here, let me show something. Let me show one of them. I just know. I think this one. Yeah, this one. We make it so. Same here. I put that there. I'll start it from here.
Sir.
Let me show you something. Are you there, sir?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
See now, can you tell me how will you have said you want to say? I saw this thing only. It didn't show me M pattern or anything. I just said, yeah, push. Now tell me, how do you think? What species is that? How do you think I just said anything to buy? Why? Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it. I just saw this week, this one. I just said, yeah, I just say, Bush, I just said. Why did I just say? I just why? So the pattern that I'm teaching, the pattern that you just see, you just know that you say, you know, you come and do the. If you came here, you still take a profit, but now you come here, you have to enter another one year again. Come and do the form of M, but that's it. But I know, I just know me. I know me that nothing will happen. So I know then that's so that's coming. By talking to somebody. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
I didn't even put the stuff here. I didn't put the stuff there. I didn't put my stuff there. I didn't get time, but I know why it will reach. Then I think about it. I know they get time. I didn't remember to put other stuff. I say I remember. So I go, let's put it there. She say, you don't make money. You don't make I remember to put that there. Maybe I'll try to begin to share. So that is it for today, guys. That is it.
Yes, sir.
I hope we learn a lot. I hope we gain one or two things today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for today. Thank you for joining me also. If you're just watching this channel for the first time, we want to encourage you, we want to urge you, we want to persuade you, we want to implore you to try to please subscribe to this channel. Follow us deeply. You can click this description below and join our community where you can see some of the things we do inside our community so you can learn a lot. If you are an intermediate trader, just like Mr. Ayeni Daniel, it should be an opportunity for you to stick with this channel because we do a lot of practical stuff, a lot of eye-opening that we will show to you live here with practical experience, taking you outside of FOREX entirely, and showing you the real-life scenario in which you can use to apply into the market and be perfectly good and be fine with it. Like talking to somebody. So
yes, sir.
we want to urge you, please, try to subscribe to us, follow this channel, follow us, join our community, connect with us, whatever things you want to do. We are here for you, and we are here to get you the results and the profitability you need. Thank you for joining me today. I will have to take my leave now. Take care and bye for now. Happy weekend, guys. Cheers.
Yes, sir.
Peace out.